Hi guys, today we are working on perimeter and area, part one. So today we're going to be combining those. So we do that, we're going to wake our brains up a little bit. Let's look at our first problem today to wake our brains up. We're going back and revisiting just perimeter around the outside of the house. All right, so you notice that this is 50 feet, this is 50 feet, this is 100 feet, this is 50 feet, but we have nothing over here. So I would like for you to pause the video, find the perimeter, and come on back and we'll check it together. Okay, what you should have remembered is that when we have equal sides, then we have equal values on that side. So if this is 100 feet and this is the same size over here, this would also be 100 feet. So now we just add that together to create our perimeter. So I'm going to take my 100 and 100, which would be 200. All right, and then I'm going to add my 50 and 50, and another 50 is 150. So my perimeter for this one should have been 350 feet. And remember, it's important to let it know what the ending is. So that was 350 feet. Let's try another one. All right. This says that we need to write the new recipe. All right, I'm going to read through it and then you pause it and try it yourself. It says to double this recipe for simple cookies. So 3/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So if I wanted to double this, make the double amount, what would the recipe look like? Try it out and come on back. Okay, first of all, I would say that double means that we're going to have to add something. So let's go ahead and double the butter. So to double that, I would take 3/4, and then I'm going to add another 3/4, and that gives me 6/4. Now this gets to be a little tricky because now I need to trade this in because what is 6/4? Okay, I could do 1/4 6 times, or I could kind of think about how we could change that. So if I had 6/4, then what I could do is I could say, well, when it's 4/4, that is one whole, right? And then 2/4 after that would make my 6/4. So if I did one whole and 2/4, that would give me the amount of butter that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and put one whole and 2/4 butter. Okay, we could actually say that that's one whole and 1/2 butter. 2 and 1/2 mean the same thing. All right, for my 1/2 cup of sugar, I would take my 1/2 and my 1/2 and put that together. And if I have a half and a half, then I have a whole. So I have 1 cup of sugar. All right. And the last ingredient that we had was 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Well, I can go ahead and double the 2 cups. So I know that I'd have, I'll put this in blue. I know that I would have 4 cups, all right, of flour. Now I would take the 1/4 plus the 1/4, which would give me 2/4. So I'd have 4 and, let's see, I'd have 4 cups. I'd have 4 2/4 cup of flour. So that would be doubling my recipe. I would need 1 2/4 of butter, or we could say 1 1/2, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 2/4 or 4 1/2 cups of flour. And you would double that recipe. I hope you got that as well. All right, the last one to wake our brain up. I have two fractions. Woo, we're working on fractions today. I have two fractions whose sum is greater than 1. What two fractions might I have? Now, I'll tell you, there's lots of different answer choices for this. So see if you can come up with maybe more than one. And come on back and you'll see what I came up with. Okay, I'm just going to randomly pick some. If we had done that 3/4, and how about 2/4? All right, notice that this is 5/4. So I know that 4/4 is 1. So this would be greater than 1. That would work. Any number that's going to be over what your denominator is. So here 4/4 is my whole. So because I have 5/4, that is greater than 1 whole. All right. So if whatever I added together, let's say I did 2 thirds plus 2/3. Whoops. 2/3 plus 2/3. My 2 went away. That's going to give me 4/3. Well, I know that 3/3 is 1 whole, so anything over that would be greater than a whole. So you'll have to see, did you get greater than a whole? If your numerator is larger than your denominator, then you got greater than a whole. Okay, let's go ahead and start our lesson today. In class, we actually paused the video and we did this YouTube, so I would suggest you copy this down. This is really good, showing how perimeter and area are put together. All right, just a quick look at how perimeter and area are related. We have the perimeter goes around the outside of the fence and the area is on the inside. So they actually work very well together. I taught them separately and now I'm putting them together. All right, so you've noticed this before, and we've done it with perimeter and we've done it with area, but today we're going to find the area and perimeter of each. So I'm going to do the first one, and then I'm going to let you do the rest of them. All right, I like to start out with my perimeter. So I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I would say that the perimeter equals 16. Now I'll pick a different color for this one. All right, to find the area, I'm counting everything inside. Area is inside, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, it doesn't always work out like that, but today our area and perimeter were the same. All right, so remember, area is on the inside. This is the area. Perimeter is on the outside. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, I want you to try this and come on back and I'll show you what it should be. Okay, so very quickly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have the perimeter as 16. On the inside, our area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you had a perimeter of 16 and an area of 10, you did a great job. Try this one. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have a perimeter of 16. All right, our area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. An area of 9. Try another one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again, my perimeter got a lot that were 16. All right, my area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My area is 8. All right, now we're doing the very same thing, but we're using a grid square this time. So same thing, I'm going to do the first one for you. So I'm going to start with perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So my perimeter is 20. My area is going to be what's on the inside. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this has an area of 10 and a perimeter of 20. You try this one. Okay, we're going to start with our perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we have a perimeter. Oops, guess what? I missed one. 16. We have a perimeter of 16. All right, and an area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. An area of 9. Try this one. Okay, let's start with perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have a perimeter of 20. Now for the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you get that? I hope so. Try this one. Okay, let's start with perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got to make sure you get around those corners. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the perimeter is 24. And the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The area is 13. Are you getting these? I hope so, with lots and lots of practice. All right, try this one. Okay, let's start with perimeter. So remember, perimeter is that outside piece, and I'm doing in between my two line segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My perimeter is 18. The area is what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. All right, here's my challenge question for today. We did one of these the other day. Can you finish dividing the shape up and find both the area and the perimeter? All right, come on, challenge accepted, guys. You can do this. Try it out. Okay. First of all, I would have finished drawing these. I think that's important to do, and that will actually help you be able to figure out the rest of it. All right, let's start with perimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, our perimeter was 20. Now we're going back and we're counting the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This had an area of 11. All right, today was our first day of combining area and perimeter together. We're going to do a part 2 coming up, and it'll give us some more practice with it. But today, you guys made it, so congratulations. I'm really proud of you. Stick with it. Area and perimeter is something that you will use in 4th grade, definitely. So keep trying, and until next time, bye-bye.